How restaurants make food taste so good, the truth. Have you ever sat in a restaurant, taken that first bite, and thought, why does this taste so much better than when I make it at home? You use the same ingredients. You follow the recipe. But somehow, the restaurant version just hits different. Today, I'm going to tell you the real reasons restaurant food tastes so good. No myths, no secrets hidden behind fancy words. This information comes by way of Angel Culinary Kitchen, a retired chef and culinary school graduate. In this video, I speak on how she breaks down exactly what professional kitchens do differently, and how you can apply those same techniques at home. Let's get into the truth. Restaurants don't rely on luck, they rely on technique. In professional kitchens, every step has a purpose, from how food is cut, to when it's seasoned, to how heat is applied. Home cooks often rush, chefs don't. The difference isn't talent, it's process. Once you understand the process, your food will never taste the same again. Here's one of the biggest truths. Restaurants don't season once, they season constantly. Home cooks often wait until the end to add salt. Chefs season the protein, the vegetables, the sauce, and sometimes even the garnish. Each layer builds flavor. Salt isn't just about taste, it enhances aroma, texture, and balance. That's why restaurant food tastes bold, but not salty. Chef tip: season lightly at every stage, not heavily at the end. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Restaurants use fat, butter, oil, cream, but they use it strategically. Fat carries flavor, it coats the tongue, it makes food feel rich and satisfying. That doesn't mean drowning food in butter, it means finishing properly. A small amount of butter at the end of cooking can transform a dish. This is why sauces shine. This is why vegetables taste luxurious. It's not excess, it's intention. Another huge difference: heat control. Restaurants use very hot pans, proper preheating, and controlled timing. Home cooks often put food into cold pans, and that's a flavor killer. A hot pan creates browning, caramelization, that golden crust on meat, that's flavor. Chef rule: heat first, food second. Restaurants don't rush flavor. They sauté aromatics properly. Let sauces reduce. Allow flavors to develop. Garlic isn't burned. Onions aren't rushed. Sauces aren't watery. Time equals flavor. Even 5 extra minutes can be the difference between good and wow. Here's a truth most people don't realize. Restaurant food is often simple food with great sauce. Sauces add moisture, richness, balance. Complexity? That's why a plain chicken breast tastes incredible in a restaurant. Learn a few basic sauces, and you unlock dozens of meals. This is one of the biggest advantages chefs have. Here's something science backs up. Food that looks better tastes better. Restaurants plate intentionally, control portion placement, use contrast and height. Your brain tastes food before your mouth does. You don't need fancy plates, just thoughtful presentation. So what's the truth? Restaurant food tastes better because it's seasoned in layers, fat is used wisely, heat is controlled, flavor is built patiently, and nothing is accidental. And the best part? You can do all of this at home. If this video helped you understand food on a deeper level, give it a like, subscribe to Angel Culinary Kitchen, and join us as we continue teaching you real chef techniques for real home cooking. Because great food isn't about secrets, it's about knowledge. While you're feeding your body, we'd love to help you feed your soul. Check out our sister channel, Bible Scripture Lives, where you'll see the Bible in cinematic form. The link is in the description.